Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to Devotional Beauty. Thank you so much for joining me. I love doing these videos for you guys. I'm super excited. I have something to show you today. It's actually a request by one of my viewers for a wig. This wig is by Outre. It's called Outre Play. Her name is Charlene, and Charlene is amazing. So I want to show you the stock card before I show you the wig because this is really special. So this is what, ooh, can you see her? This is Charlene. This is what Charlene looks like. And I have her actually in the same color that the model on the stock card is wearing. So this Outre Play wig it's a human hair optimix. So it has, apparently it has some human hair mixed in with the synthetic hair. She is a lace front wig. And I've touched it, and it is the soft lace, just kind of like the same lace I had in the last video, and also like the lace you would get, sort of a cheaper version of the lace you would get if you ordered a human hair lace front wig. This one has a very short part, and it's called a Swiss lace eye parting. It's soft, flexible, and it stretches. The color mix that the model on the stock card is wearing is called 3DRB GRY, so 3DR blonde gray. So I'm not sure if you guys will be able to tell, but it is an ashier sort of blonde mixed in with a dark root. I think that's what the DR, dark root, and then blonde gray. So Charlene, her stock card actually on the other side has a step-by-step application instructions for applying a lace wig. If you've never done it before, I actually looked through the step-by-steps, and I do think that this is helpful. It doesn't tell you everything you need to know to apply a lace wig, but it'll tell you enough to be able to get this one on. But it's, I mean, there's a lot to be desired. It's not easy. I'm just, at the end of the day, it's not really easy to apply a lace wig. So we're gonna do it here together, sort of like I did last week. Just so you guys can see how I do it. And of course, I am not a professional. I'm not a wig slayer. I'm not Beyonce's hairstylist. Lots of people get paid really good money to apply lace wigs on a regular basis. I just do them for fun. I do them for you guys. I do them for my daily life when I have lace wigs. And they're good enough, you know. Nobody's ever said, "Ooh, your lace is like waving." So I'm going to show you guys how I apply my lace wigs. And really just get into this wig. It is so different and pretty. First off, this hair is super long. I would say that this is approximately a 20-inch wig on me, which is something that I don't typically go for. I don't like super long hair. I just don't personally find it to look very realistic on me. If that's your speed, you're gonna love this wig because it's glamorously long. It has lace on it, so it is shedding on me. I'm giving you that right now. But you can see the color on this wig is phenomenal. It's different than the one that I had last week. That one was more of a honey colored blonde, a more warm tone blonde. This is definitely an ash color, and you can even see with the camera, I think it is picking it up, that this is an ash color. It is also mixed in, it says, with gray, and I can see in person, I wouldn't call them gray strands, but it's very platinum. So I guess you could call it that there would be a little gray here at the root. So you can, I don't know if you guys can sort of tell. Come on, camera, focus. Yeah, it's a little bit of gray mixed in here at the root. So there is the typical construction of a wig. So the amount of lace parting that you get in this wig is about, I'm gonna use my finger to measure, it's about 3-ish inches or so. It's not a very long part, and as you can see, the way that the wig is constructed, you only get that center part if you're going to use the parting space. The rest of the wig has the traditional cap construction. I will say the difference between this wig and the last wig is that this one has a black inner cap. The other one, even though it was blonde, had a brown inner cap. So I do think that that has a slight effect when the wind blows. Should your track show, you will kind of see the dark. You see? I mean, that's if your hair happens to be parted that way, or you move or something serious like that. I think it takes a lot to get there in real life, so I wouldn't necessarily worry about that, but it is something to consider. So again, this is not like a super expensive, super well made, like whatever kind of wig. I just think you have to accept what you bought and have reasonable expectations, and then you won't be disappointed. So as I said, she's 20 inches long. She is layered. So as you can see, there are shorter hairs that are mixed in with the very long ones here at the bottom. The bottom is a complete blonde gray. The top, as I said, has got the dark root. There are combs on either side of the parting. There is a comb at the root, or at the nape I should say, and there are adjustable straps on this wig. I had this wig on a little earlier, and I will say that it is big head friendly. I don't have any of the struggling that I had with last week's wig to sort of make it fit on my head. The lace is also soft, so it won't scratch your edges or pull on your edges, which I think is great. The only negative that I have about this wig so far is the cap, the color of the cap, that it is black. But I don't think that's going to play a major role in putting it on and making it work. Okay, so I guess it's time to really get into it and try to slay this wig. So stay tuned. I'm going to get into it. So you guys, this is the final look. This hair is gorgeous. I love this on. I think that the ash blonde is like perfect for darker skin tones. If you're my color or even darker, I think that this will look absolutely stunning on you. I think it looks stunning on me, if I do say so myself. I really like this wig for when I feel like I want to look like a little bit of a Barbie. This isn't something that, obviously, this isn't something that I think is extremely realistic, nor is it something that I would reach for every day. But I really do think that, like, for a California girl feel, like a summer vibe like this is it's everything. I just love it. I really do. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's summer, maybe it's because my birthday is coming up, but I really am feeling blonde lately. It's stunning. This wig is stunning, and it is extremely like, it has shedded all over me, and they're blonde hair, so I'm very aware of them. I showed you guys a little bit of the shedding. Let me show you the rest that I got from just combing it a little bit ago. Gosh, I feel like I have a dog or something. Like, it's shedding a ton. So this is again, all I cut was the lace. I didn't cut the hair. I didn't look for baby hairs because I didn't feel like I wanted to, like, have the baby hair look with this wig. So I didn't adhere it down very well. And like I said, this probably isn't something that I would have on for a very long time. I might wear it like late afternoon, evening, so I don't have to work so hard. Quite honestly, like, I'm gonna show you how long this this wig goes. So this is my navel, and here's the hair. So sorry to like show you. I feel like this is a crotch shot, but like, this goes down to my pelvic bone right here. This says a human hair mix, but it truly feels synthetic. And I have to mention, as I was sort of flattening out near the part, I did notice a distinct smell was kind of like melting. So I have my curling wand on 380. And it does say that it is safe for temperatures. They said we recommend heat styling up to 350, 400 degrees. 380 was too much for it because I start to smell like a melting smell. So it's not something that I would recommend, except for, like, I'm not going to be curling the bottom so much. Mostly because, like, the waves themselves are fine, like the way that they are. I mean, they could stand to be a little more directional, but that doesn't bother me. I think it, like, adds to the sort of the realism, or not even the realism, but it like adds to the style. It's kind of like, yeah, I'm glamorous, but I'm also, like, not super fussy because I got waves and stuff. This is just really pretty. It's a different look. I really like it. I do recommend this wig, and I'll tell you guys how much. So I got this wig from Wig Types for, the base price is $25.79. I got her in this blonde gray color, so this is considered a fashion color, so you do have to pay $4 extra for this particular unit. So the total came to $29.79 as the price for this wig. I totally agree that this wig is worth 30 bucks. I think that it's absolutely gorgeous. I really like it. I like the coloring. I like the styling. I think the cap, even though it's not the base color of the cap, is not to my liking. That's not something you see from the outside. So I totally think that this is worth the buy. And if you're gonna pick Charlene up, I think she would look stunning even in a regular color number 2. But I strongly urge, if you're into blonde or you're trying to experiment, that you go for this color, because like I said, I just think that, gosh, I can't stop looking at it, and I just keep touching it and like running my fingers through it. I just think she's really pretty. I do not think that this is appropriate for everyday wig. Like I said, I've gotten a ton of shedding, and I don't know how long it's gonna hold up at this thickness, which is pretty thick actually. I think you would do well to keep this one for special occasions. I need to note that they do include this beautiful like box for her. I think they do intend for you to keep her for a long time. So the box, this is the sleeve, the jacket for the box, and it has a big picture of the stock card in here, and it actually has the step-by-step to apply a lace wig. Care instructions, actually no care instructions on the box, but care instructions do come on the stock card. So if you did decide to keep that, you could keep that nice and neat in the box that it comes in. And I think I will be keeping her in the box that she comes in, so that when I do want to put this wig on, it'll still be nice and neat. And that will help. You know, long hair really tangles kind of badly. You have to expect that whenever you have long hair, just like if your hair is wrong for real, like it would tangle. But I think that this is a gorgeous, gorgeous wig. I'm super excited about it. Like, I'm really glad that that you guys encouraged me to try it, because I'm smitten. So thank you guys so much for your recommendations. If you have any more recommendations for me, let me know. Do you see how well they work out? They're banging. Like, this is so cute. Like, look, I know it's super long, but like, this wig, she's flawless. Like, she's gorgeous. I kind of feel like Beyonce. No, not really. I can't even compare myself. Let me stop. But I feel really glamorous. I feel very Californian. I feel amazing in this wig. And, you know, thanks to you guys, I'm like super excited. So anything else you have to recommend, let me know. I guess we're sort of keeping it under 30 bucks at this point, but you know, if it's reasonable, I'm still interested in trying it. So let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this one, if you have her in a different color, let us know that. That'd be great to know. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for staying in touch with this channel. Like, I really appreciate all the support, all the love you guys give. The cheers and the jeers, it's all welcome. So thank you so much for watching Devotional Beauty, and I will catch you next time.